Hello everyone, and welcome to Sandy Bottom Nature Park in Hampton, Virginia. This gorgeous 450-acre park is the result of an extensive reclaiming project that created one of the most beautiful city parks in all of Hampton Roads. Sandy Bottom features 2 lakes, forests, marshlands, and 12 miles of trails that are open for hiking or biking. In the spring and summer, it's the perfect place to go canoeing, look for wildlife, go fishing, or just have a picnic. Habitat towers like this one use reclaimed materials to make homes for creatures such as snakes, lizards, and spiders. Many different creatures call Sandy Bottom Park their home, such as this heron. Other beautiful animals you can see here include white-tailed deer, waterfowl of all types, turtles, snakes, and salamanders. In the springtime, be sure to keep an eye out for baby animals such as these adorable fuzzy ducklings.
So we've had a great day here at Sandy Bottom Nature Park. I'm really glad we came, and I hope that you guys in the Virginia area, especially Hampton Roads, will make a point to come out and visit this place this summer.
Hey guys, thank you so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, please give it a thumbs up. And if you'd like to see more travel content from me, be sure to subscribe and then check out my written blog at cochranewriting.com.